In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete tracking categories in Xero. We'll go step by step on where to click, what to look out for, and some tips to keep things tidy in your account. By the end, you'll feel confident removing any tracking categories you no longer need. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Sign in to your Xero account the way you normally do. Make sure you're logged into the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one business in Xero. Deleting a tracking category is a real change to your data setup, so you want to be absolutely sure you're in the right place before you start. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top navigation bar. You'll see a menu labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is where Xero keeps most of the tools related to your financial setup, including the settings you'll need for tracking categories. After you click Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. From that list, choose Accounting Settings. This takes you into the section where you can manage things like your chart of accounts, tax rates, and, importantly for this tutorial, your tracking categories. It's a good idea to move through these settings slowly, since changes here affect how your reports and transactions are organized. Inside Accounting Settings, look for an option called Tracking Categories. Click on that. Tracking categories are Xero's way of letting you tag transactions by things like departments, locations, projects, or any other custom dimension you've set up. Before you delete anything, it's worth pausing for a second and making sure the category you're about to remove isn't still actively used in your reporting. You'll now see a list of your existing tracking categories. Take a moment to review the list and identify the category you want to delete. Click on that specific category to select it. When you do, you should see its name and the options or tracking values associated with it. This is your chance to double check you've chosen the right one. If it looks wrong, just go back and pick a different category. On the category name itself, look for a small X icon. This is usually near the name or at the end of the row where the category is listed. Click that X icon. Xero treats this like a command to remove that category, so be sure you're not clicking it by accident. If you're unsure, you can always back out and review your categories again before proceeding. After you click the X icon, Xero will prompt you with a confirmation message, and this is where you finalize the change. To complete the process, click Delete. Once you confirm, the tracking category will be removed from your list. Keep in mind that depending on Xero's current rules, you may not be able to delete categories that are actively in use on transactions or locked periods, so if you see an error, you may need to archive or adjust usage first. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a tracking category in Xero, starting from the main dashboard, going through accounting, into accounting settings, and then into tracking categories.